The University of Iowa Hospitals and Clinics unveiled a new location.
DITV has team coverage of the new campus with its opening previews. We'll start with DITV's Liz Schultz, who attended the ribbon-cutting ceremony.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Standing right behind me is the University of Iowa's new North Liberty Healthcare facility. The project has been in the works for years and is finally ready to make an impact. Dozens of community members and leaders gathered together in the large building to celebrate the ribbon-cutting ceremony of the Healthcare North Liberty campus. Guest speakers included President Barbara Wilson, President of the Iowa Board of Regents, and many other leaders. President Barbara Wilson emphasized the scale of the achievement, noting that the project was completed promptly and cost less than expected.
And we brought this building in on time and under budget.
The building is its first full hospital UIHC has built away from the primary Iowa City location. It includes an emergency department, orthopedic surgery center, and advanced imaging and lab services all in one building.
This campus now serves as a symbol of trust that UI Healthcare will remain committed to our mission.
Larry Marsh, UI orthopedic surgeon, stated that the project's goal was to be as accessible for patients as possible, including parking and having multiple wings. The object is to make care more convenient for anyone in the nation needing its services.
This premier orthopedic center will offer a one-stop coordinated care for orthopedic patients.
The facility will officially open its doors April 28th, bringing in new patients and students from all across the nation. I'm going to send it over to DITV's Avery Arns, who attended the open house.
Thanks, Liz. To say North Liberty is excited about their new hospital is an understatement. Hundreds have gathered to get a first-hand look at their city's new asset. The University of Iowa celebrated the brand new medical campus this Saturday, featuring tours of the facility, recreational activities, and an open house.
We thought there'd be a lot of people, but we have over 2,000 people in the first hour, and we're here till 4 o'clock.
The open house featured a meet and greet with the University of Iowa cheerleaders and athletes. This event gave community members a glimpse of their new, long-awaited hospital.
I am shocked. This is just amazing. I think people have just been excited for this to come. I think people are just really excited to see what we're all about.
Hospital administrators and staff were excited to see the large turnout and foresees the hospital will be a place for unique and impactful care. For more with the new hospital's impact and mission, here's DITV's Jake Rios.
With the main hospital in Iowa City operating at high capacity, the new hospital's mission was clear: to expand their growing needs and provide new accessibility for patient care.
To move to a state-of-the-art facility that actually has windows, but also has everything we need to care for patients is a very exciting opportunity.
The North Liberty Hospital will serve as the new home for the University Department of Orthopedics and Rehabilitation, as well as sports medicine, two of the fastest growing departments.
Right now, sports medicine is out at the sports medicine complex, and they spend most of their time there. At the main hospital, we have most of our inpatient, but we're separated. We're at different locations. Here, it's very easy because everybody's in the same building.
The new hospital is set to open later this month, and the community is excited for the new resources and opportunity that the location has to offer. Now I'll send it over to DITV's Liz Smith for more coverage on what hospitals are doing for those in need.
Thanks, Jake and Avery. The Iowa University Teddy Bear Clinic is an opportunity for children aged kindergarten through 6th grade to learn more about doctor's appointments and feel safer at a hospital.
We'll have people that will come in and they're a little bit nervous and will want to just experience what it's like to be a doctor for the day. So depending on what the station is, they can get vitals done, they can pretend to perform surgery, and they'll bring a little teddy bear with them that's their patient, so it's very adorable.
Children were able to cycle through several different activities with their teddy bears, including stations about physical exams, procedures, stretching and bones, and wound care.
Getting people exposed to healthcare careers early, we think, is really important, and this is a very stress-free way to do it.
Volunteers were students training to be nurses and physical therapists.
Well, I've learned a lot of things that doctors do and how to help people and keep keep them safe and healthy.
The other thing that the Teddy Bear Clinic endorses is getting kids into STEM activities and interested in STEM fields, specifically healthcare, and that's why we like to have a variety of different pre-healthcare providers.
Children were able to leave the Teddy Bear Clinic with less fear of the doctor's office and more knowledge about different healthcare fields. Elizabeth Smith, DITV.